Hey guys, Paulla here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're OG returning, thank you so much, sis, for coming back. I appreciate your love. Okay, so today I decided to share with you guys this one item, to unbox an item with you guys. It is my first purchase as a Zara customer. Okay, before I say into anything else, just to be clear, the reason why I got this is because a special person in my life, and that is my fiance, decided to get me something cute this December, and I showed him this bag, and he was like, "No, order it for you." So I just want to say thank you to Boo. Thank you so much, baby. I appreciate you so much. May God continue to bless you abundantly. So on Monday, I decided to not Monday, Tuesday, I ordered the bag, and yesterday, that is Friday, it arrived. Today is Saturday. I am, I am only, I created the video before, like as in yesterday, but then when I when it came to editing it, it just went south. So I had to redo the whole video again today. And hence you see me all made up and everything. I was like, if I'm gonna do it twice, then I have to do it twice the right way, okay? So yeah. So this is the box. I am honestly, to be honest with you guys, I'm really not a materialistic kind of person. As long as something is of good quality, doesn't matter if it is cheap or expensive, as long as it's good quality and as long as I see where the money went. You understand? That's the kind of person I am. I'm not stingy, but I'm also not gonna waste money. So I've been eyeing this particular bag for a while now, and I promised myself, I think it was in July or August or so. Yeah, in August. I promised myself that by the end of the year, I will be buying myself this particular bag with my own money. But then, and that was because I thought that the business was really gonna do really, really well. I didn't anticipate, obviously, when I started my business in February, I did not anticipate a lot of things, and Corona was definitely not one of the things that I actually anticipated or I saw coming. And during the time, I didn't think that it would have an impact in my business in any way, but it did have an impact. But all in all, I'm just grateful, guys. I want to say, if you are a woman who's always independent and who wants to do things for herself always, I would like to encourage you to accept it when other people want to do certain things for you. Do not block your blessings because you want to do it yourself. If you can't do it and somebody else offers to do it without you having to ask, sometimes, then it's good that you would just receive it with an open heart. Because also, I feel like by you not wanting other people to help you, it's also you blessing somebody else's blessing. Because like the Bible says, the hand that gives is the hand that receives. And sometimes we also, on the other hand, the person who's helping you, um it's also very important to not always just want to give. Oh my gosh, my boob is coming out. To not always just want to give, but also allow other people to give to you as well. And also, it's also very important for you as the person who's receiving to not always want to receive, but also give to others. If anything, if there's one thing that I want you to learn from this video, is that it is good to give, but it's also good to receive, and vice versa. Okay, so this is the box. um Obviously, these are my personal information, and thankfully my camera is not that good of quality to actually pick up that information. I start off by showing you guys the box. This is the box. It says Zara collection 20. And then when you open it up, obviously I've opened it to see what it has in store, and I've already filmed my initial reaction to the video, but anyway, to the handbag. But anyway, we move. And then when you open it, obviously I'm gonna open it like this right now. Ooh, the angles that we have to do. Okay, let me do this. See, when you opening it, you open it like this. Oh my gosh, guys, I just love the whole experience. Okay, let me show you guys what am I looking at right now as it is open. So this is the bag. I know you guys, a lot of you guys might already know which bag it is. It is famous. I first initially saw the bag on Kiyamo's channel when she bought the bag, and she bought it twice, and that is so nice. And then I saw it on Ona's channel, and I was like, it is confirmed, I'm gonna get myself that bag come what may. I did not know that I was actually attracting it into my life, but hey, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. So when you open it up, you find the bag inside this dust bag. And then obviously, wow, guys, wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. And this is the bag. OMG. See what I'm saying, Hore? It's not, to me, it's not about the price of the money or the price of a bag, or if it is labeled or not. It's more about the quality and the whole experience of a bag or anything that I buy. As long as it's gonna look beautiful and it's gonna satisfy me. And this is exactly what I love. Look at the stitching right here. That's what I love. And the leather. The leather, baby, the leather. So this bag comes in one size only, and it's only this size. So it's, this bag is really small, guys. Look, when I stretch out my hand, this is how it's looking like. Okay, so when you look here, there's like this hooks here, here, and here. On one side it's this side, on this side it's my left hand side. So let me open it up. Let me just do this. Let me open it up, and that's how it opens up. I love the whole experience with the zip, because look, it's not giving me trouble. You understand? Okay, so then when I open it up, it has, obviously I've taken out the tissue paper, and then there's an extra strap. So I'm gonna be inserting clips to show you guys how it's looking like, because I want to fit it as well. I'm clipping it on now. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, because then space is gonna give me issues. And yeah, that's how it's looking like. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm a fan of gold. I love gold things, gold earrings, gold honey, gold. Okay, so obviously you can use it like this, as a small bag like this. Use it like this as a small bag like this, but you can also use it with the strap. You can remove the straps if you don't feel like. You've been part of the family. Yay. I see you, see me, okay? And I love you. And also please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.